Hi, Tony here from UiPath. Today, I would like to talk about supercharging your chatbot by releasing the trapped knowledge in your emails. We're going to look at the problem. We're going to look at unleashing trapped knowledge in your emails. We're going to supercharge your chatbot, and we're going to embellish the chatbot by using ChatGPT. So here we go. Here's our chat. We're using a chatbot called Druid, but we could be using Amelia, Core AI, etc., etc. The user goes and asks a question, when are you open? And the chatbot goes to its knowledge base and finds an answer. So far, so good. And if we've trained the chatbot, then of course we're going to get an answer. But if the user asks something more complex, often we get, sorry, I don't understand. And this is very infuriating. And it also means that the chatbot needs continual updating for various requests. So how can we embellish that? Let me introduce you to UiPath Communication Mining. What we do is point communication mining to your email system or your ServiceNow or your Salesforce or your Slack. And what it does is it uses natural language processing to understand the meaning behind those messages. And you can see here that it's actually able to understand the intent. By reading the body, it's able to say, hey, this is about a claim. Now, if we apply that across the business to all of your emails over the last few years, we can actually visualize what you are doing in terms of business processes within your organization. We can see here that most of the work is policy related with some claims in there as well. And we can drill into that. What exactly are we doing related to policy? Well, we're doing renewals, amendments, cancellations, reviews, etc., etc. And we can drill down further. With the amendments, what kind of amendments are we doing via email? Well, address change is massive. We're also doing some cover notices, some excess, some premium information. So step one is we can create business automations to help automate address changes. And this can be performed using UiPath Business Automation Platform. But now we can actually link that to the chatbot. Communications Mining has an API and it just uses standard JSON. And just for this demonstration, I've converted the JSON into nice looking English language. And so with our chat conversation from earlier, let's pass the request to Communications Mining and see what we get back. So here we go. We're now sending that chat message to Communications Mining, and it's brought back that JSON message, which I've formatted nicely for you. And it's saying, look, this is about a policy concerning an amendment, performing an address change. And we've actually captured the data, the entities. Communications Mining was able to extract the important entity information as well. Now we're going to perform 3 important steps. Allow the business automation change address process to be kicked off. Go to ChatGPT and get some embellishment for an answer. But most importantly, we're going to update and train automatically the chatbot knowledge base so that next time a complex query of a similar nature comes in, the chatbot will be able to perform it. Now, with ChatGPT, we've created a ChatGPT prompt on which we then append the Communications Mining intent information. And by passing that as a string to ChatGPT over an API, we can actually receive back, as you can see here on the right, a nicely formatted list of what we're going to do. So let's actually run this here. And there we go. We've actually now got the chatbot to go to ChatGPT and bring back an embellished response back to the client. So that would now be a seamless process where we can ask a complex question and get a really nice formatted answer back and invoke the business process automation. So the problem was the chatbot does not understand the request. You saw how we can unleash trapped knowledge in your email systems. We can supercharge your chatbot with UiPath by tapping into that email knowledge. And you've seen how via the chatbot, we can embellish the chat conversation with ChatGPT. So I've done as much as I can in 4 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Contact me, contact UiPath if you want to learn more. Bye now.